Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Plushie Network SDK. I'm going to be going through how to install it. There will be another video how to actually host the Plushie Network SDK. So first of all, you're going to want to go to your internet browser. You want to go to plushie-network.site123.me. Now we're here on my website, so all you have to do is scroll down. Just scroll all the way down. And we're going to need to actually go here in a minute. But let's just keep on scrolling. So right here, as you can see, this is the Plushie Network SDK information page right here. So click this, and it'll take you to another website, and you're going to download the file. And what it is, the file is it'll automatically extract all the files for you. So you just have to open the exe file, and then it'll extract everything for you. So let's just click download, and it's going to do that. And here in a second, you're going to go to your download page. But actually, wait. There's some other things you're going to need to download as well, because there's some patches to the actual software. So you have to install the patchers and then patch the software. But you're going to have to first install the Plushie Network SDK. So we can close out of this. That's going to be downloading. So you're going to go up to downloads, and first of all, you're going to need the Plushie Network SDK resource patch. What this is it's a little patch that adds some more resources, since I recently made some changes to the actual Plushie Network service. So it includes a bunch of images and stuff that's used for the new hunted maps and all that. So you're going to need that, alright, and also conveniently we can just go here. Now if you're looking to run your Plushie Network SDK, like the command line program, you're going to need to, if you're looking to run it off of a USB, you're going to need to download this. But if you're just going to run this off of this computer, then you don't need this, because you need to patch your SDK to the assigned drive letter, but we don't really need that. Now, if you're looking to run the Plushie Network website, if you're going to make your own, the actual SDK here don't actually have anything for the website. It's just all the resources, but the ZPF resources is all the text, the images, and everything else. It says Plushie Network SDK.exe is not commonly downloaded, and just click keep. There's no malware in there. It's just checking. So we can go ahead and close this. Alright, so now we're going to go to the Bed Wars loot patch. If you're running the Bed Wars minigame and you want to use the little kits, there's a little randomizer, and there's a patch to it to make it a little more random. Again, you don't have to download all of this. I'm just showing you in case you want the maximum, you know what I'm saying? Maximum everything. I know there's a bunch of like patches and everything. It might be confusing for you, like why is there so much, but the reason why is because I didn't feel like packing everything again and again. So what I just did is I made another extractor tool, so I could just, you know what I'm saying, so I didn't have to rework everything. This is a help desk, but you're not going to need the help desk, because I'm just going to be doing a video on how to do all this, run the Plushie Network software, so you don't really need the help desk anymore. That's really obsolete now. So we've pretty much installed everything. We'll download everything, so we can go ahead and close this and we can go to our downloads folder. Alright, here we are in the downloads folder. So as you can see, you can already see the Bed Wars patch. I'm going to go through how to install the help desk patch, because why not as well. Just do the full thing here. So we're going to run the Plushie Network SDK installer. Now some of these don't require administrator. Alright, click run anyway. And click, if you want to see, you can click yes. Alright. And this is it. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to press this. And we're going to select go to this PC. Now, if you're going to install this off onto a USB drive, you're going to need to install it to the root directory of that USB drive, and then install the mass patches. But we're just going to do right here local disk and extract here. So as you can see, it's going to extract, it's installing everything. Alright, so now that is done, we're going to move to the Bed Wars loot patch. Yes. And I'm not going to show how to install the ZPF file one, since I forgot to download that, but that one's pretty much the same way. You just go to the local disk and just install it there. Alright, so let's install the Bed Wars patch. Just click OK. Extract. Alright, done. Resource installer. More info. Run anyway. Yes. And again, go to this PC, local disk, click OK, install. And if you see that it wants to replace anything, click yes. Click yes. Click yes. Yes to all, sorry. See, there you go. It's just going to replace some things, going to add some things. So that's done. And the last one is the help desk. And you don't really need the help desk anymore, because I'm going to make a video on how to run all these services themselves, so it won't really matter in the first place. So click OK, extract, and yes to all. Alright, so we're done here. Actually, let's go to this PC. Let's go to the local disk. And as you can see here, you see this folder, the BW_loot patch. This is by itself, so there's one more thing we need to do. We need to drag this to the actual Plushie Network SDK folder, and we need to go into the Plushie Network SDK folder, and we're going to drag this over here. Place the files in the destination, yes, and then we can delete this folder. We don't need this folder anymore. I just forgot to make the directory that extracts this folder, so yeah, you just have to do that and then it'll install everything. Alright, so now here we go. So everything's done. That's pretty much it. That's the whole process of installing the Plushie Network SDK. Now I'm going to go through, and as you can see, this is the updated version too. This isn't the one that was released. You need to update it because the one that was released did not have the other mini games like this. As you can see, there's some updates. Do you see how the updated versions of Hunted are here? Updated version of Zombies are here, and then you have the other worlds. Some of them the old version. So that's how we that's where all the worlds are. And as you can see, you have the assets, a bunch of images. These are the programs and all that. This is the Discord stuff, resources, and this is where it really is Plushie Network here, because this is what you're going to be looking at a lot. All this you're going to be looking at here. Now, you could just go through all the directories themselves, as you can see, right? But you can also, there's a little tool I made. It's called the shell. You know, you run it, and you input the command, and it'll open whatever the command receives. So WiiU-accounts. Will open the accounts. Now, you may be wondering, I thought this was software, all that. Well, here's the thing. Really, the software is you. The Plushie Network SDK is just all the resources for my website, but also how it works is the text documents. You're going to put information in there, and I'm going to teach you how to read that information yourself, so you can host your own Plushie network easily. So yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.